In this lesson, we will learn the basic vocabulary to provide personal information, either written or spoken, which is very useful in our days to fill out an online form or in different situations in everyday life. Let's get started. To fill our form, we will use a character named John Robert Williams. Let's begin. Name, name, name. When we talk about a name, we can distinguish different parts in it. John is the first name. Then we have Robert, which is the middle name. And finally, Williams, which is the last name. For example, let's see the first of them. First name, first name, first name. Robert, middle name, middle name, middle name, middle name. And finally, Williams is the last name. Last name, last name, last name. And so we have the name, which we call full name in English. Now, we begin to complete our form, filling in the first name and last name fields. Now, let's move on to fill in the marital status, gender, and occupation. Let's look at the first one, marital status. Marital status. Marital status. Marital status. Married, married, married. Single, single, single. John is a single man. That is why we choose single. This word single is applicable indistinctly to the gender, for instance. Single man, single woman. Gender, gender, gender. Male, male, male. Female, female, female. We choose male for John. Occupation, occupation, occupation. When we talk about occupation, we always have three possibilities or options: own business, employment, or a student. In John's case, it is his own business. Okay, let's look at each of them. Business, business, business. Employment, employment, employment. Student, student, student. But what is Young's occupation? Young is a software designer. Software designer. Okay, let's continue completing our form. Let's fill in the following fields: occupation, business, status, single, and gender, male. Now, let's complete the heading of our information with two words of great importance in our days: phone and email. Phone number, phone number, phone number. Let's see an example of a real phone and what it consists of: area code, city code, and local number. Email address, email address, email address. Okay, let's see an example: johnrw@example.com, johnrw@example.com. Okay, let's practice as if we need to give that information. Name: John R. Williams. Phone: 241-725-1800. Email: johnrw@example.com. Okay, let's review. Name, first name, middle name, last name, full name, marital status, married, single, gender, male, female, phone number, occupation, business, employment, email address. Thanks for watching this video and see you in our next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you in our next lesson, Personal Information Vocabulary Part 2.